Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Devereaux, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $100 a day with Instagram affiliate pages in 2019. So what we're going to do today, this is basically going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to get an Instagram page set up to be able to promote affiliate products. I'm going to show you guys an affiliate product that I already chose here today, and we're going to go ahead and build out a landing page together, as well as I'm going to explain to you guys how to find some of these, um, basically find other people in your niche to be able to promote your offers to, and start making money online with Instagram. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started here. What's up guys? So again, Dean here with Team Devereaux, and then today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $100 a day with Instagram affiliate pages. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. It's going to be a pretty brief because there's honestly not too much of a crazy setup when it comes to doing Instagram affiliate marketing. Really, it takes time to build your pages. So as you can see here, I already have a page set up for a dog page that you've seen probably in some of my other videos here. It's just got a bunch of photos about dogs on here and pets stuff in general. So what I thought about promoting here today that I came across was actually a product on Maxbounty that I thought would be a great product to promote with an Instagram dog page. So I just want to show you guys this product, and I want to show you guys what I would do to basically start promoting this product. And if you guys wanted to do the same, you guys could do the same. I personally wouldn't recommend doing the same product because obviously a lot of people seen these videos, but if there was another product that you thought was similar, or if this maybe gave you an idea about, definitely try it out because this is a great way to make money with affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and get started. So again, as you guys can see, I built an Instagram page around dogs. So the point of this is basically anyone who likes dogs, who likes pets, and came across my page would like it. They would like the photos. They would look at what I'm saying within the photos. They'd probably check out what was in my bio, including my landing page here. And that would get them interested kind of what I was saying. So what to do is basically to start, sorry guys. Basically what to do to start affiliate marketing with Instagram is first you need to find a product that you want to promote. So today I've already gone to Maxbounty and I found this American Service Pets. Basically get your animal to be a service animal or like an emotional support animal. If you guys aren't aware, if you live in the United States, to basically not have to pay for your dog to live with you. At a lot of places, you can kind of go behind the scenes and get something called an emotional support animal. I mean, it's not something a lot of people do. Some people actually really do need emotional support animals. Some people do need just animals in general to help them with their day-to-day tasks. So this isn't something that necessarily is fake, but a lot of people take advantage of that loophole as well. So it's kind of a good offer to promote. At least I think it is, because I think a lot of people will take advantage of it. But basically what happens is these people would pay, I believe, $99 to get their dog to be certified as an emotional support animal. And what that would do is that after they signed up, we would actually get $60 of that as basically getting them their lead. And that's it. So I mean, pretty much we're just sending people here that would be interested already in becoming an emotional support animal. And we're just hoping that they sign up with us instead of the actual people themselves. So to make this work, what we would have to do is basically create a link right here that directs them from Instagram over to our Maxbounty offer. Now, if you guys have seen some of our other videos, obviously you can't do direct linking with Maxbounty and Instagram, because Instagram will either ban your account or they actually won't even allow you to put the link in there to begin with. So we're going to have to create a bridge page to transfer our traffic from Instagram to the Maxbounty offer safely. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and create a Clickfunnels bridge page here together that will transfer the traffic from Instagram over to our affiliate pages, where we can start promoting the offer and hopefully start getting conversions for the service pet certificate. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a Clickfunnels landing page, as you can see here today. This Clickfunnels landing page, you can actually find the template on the AFK forum. So if you guys still haven't signed up for that, make sure you guys do that, as well as make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you are liking the video. And what we're going to do is basically go ahead and start getting this set up. So the first thing we need to do to tie everything together is we need to add an image up here to make everything kind of blend in with what we're doing. So this is for an Instagram pet page. I've already gone and found a couple different pet icons that we're going to be trying out here today. I think we'll just use this one. Just kind of a basic, you kind of get the idea. Just kind of have like a branded pet logo up there. A lot of times you can find them on the actual landing page itself too if you really want to tie everything in together. So we could have put maybe something like this up here. Let's see if if it's big enough. Sometimes they're too small. So yeah, that might have been a little too small, obviously. But this is the landing page. So obviously it is a get your official service animal approval letter here. And again, basically stop paying for the housing fees like I was telling you guys earlier, as well as travel. You can take your pets with you. And yeah. So it's a pretty nice landing page, as you guys can see. And we're going to be getting that set up here today. So let's take a look. Is there any kind of colors, anything that really stand out? No, it's just a pet. So I think what we'll do here today is, let's see, we're going to need to change the background. And I don't think I have any pet stuff really. So what I'm going to do, let's see. Let's take a look and see if there's any cool. Of course, my internet's going to be a little slow. Let's see. Yeah, nothing there. We could probably find something on Google, but what I think we're going to do is we're just going to change the color to something neutral and calm, probably like this yellow here. It's being slow. All right, so that's that. Let me. There we go. So it kind of blends in here. Same with this. There we go. And then I just want to make sure it looks good on mobile as well, because Instagram has had a lot of mobile traffic. So we're good. Now what we need to do is we need to change this into something meaningful. So let's do, let's see, maybe something like this. And do something like this. All right, so that looks pretty good. Now, the only other thing that we need to do to kind of tie this all up here is to set up our quiz. The first question that we have is, how did you hear about this offer? With the answers Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and other. We are going to be promoting this on Instagram, so as long as that's an option, that's good to go. We can go back to our questions. Let's check out the other one. So where are you from with the options New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States, and other. So this specific offer is for the United States. So we want to make sure that that is an option, obviously. And then I always like to put other as an option for both of these too, just in case they aren't actually someone there. They will at least still click through. Now, the only other thing we need to do to really tie everything together is to collect our link from Maxbounty for this offer, as you can see here. And this is going to be for social. Just going to do a raw link today. And we're just going to copy. So here's our URL. We're going to come down to the actual funnel, edit survey, outcomes, default outcome. Put that in there. And we're just going to save it. And that's all good to go. Now, the only other thing we need to do now is to exit and collect the actual URL. All right. Now we go back to Clickfunnels, or sorry, we want to go to bit.ly now, so that way we can shorten the URL, so that way it's not super long. As you guys can see, it's like ridiculously long. So we're going to go ahead and copy it. And then now all we need to do is add it to our profile. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then we're just going to hit submit, so that way it saves. And then it should be good to go. So here it is. I would just hit Instagram. I'm from the United States. And then it's going to direct us to the offer, as you guys see here. So every time someone goes through that and they sign up to basically get their emotional support animal approval letter, anytime they actually pay the $99, we're going to get a $60 commission off of that. And that's pretty much almost all the way to your daily goal of $100 a day. So if you get 2 of those a day, you're going to be far past that. And it's going to be good to go. You're going to be extremely happy. So really the key to this is to keep growing this page account, this Instagram pet account, until it's a really large Instagram, has a really large Instagram following. So let's show you, for example, this page has kind of done the same thing. They've grown their account over, over the months, maybe a year or so, and they just post relevant page, pet products. So how many of these people do you think are actually pet owners and would like to take advantage of this offer? So just think of how many links or clicks they get to their links that they put in their bio whenever they do put it in there or draw attention to it. I'm sure they make a lot of money through this account.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.